Ẹ kú ayẹyẹ ìsọmọlórúkọ. This is a greeting you say to the parent or the family of those that are doing naming ceremony. Ìsọmọlórúkọ means naming ceremony. Ìsọmọlórúkọ is the word that is gotten from ìsọ, ọmọ, and orúkọ. So is to say. So ìsọ like the act of saying, ọmọ, child, orúkọ, name. So the naming of a child or the act of saying the name of a child publicly. Ayẹyẹ means celebration. So ẹ kú ayẹyẹ ìsọmọlórúkọ, a greeting to someone who is doing naming ceremony. So next time when you have someone who has just given birth and they are doing naming ceremony, on the naming ceremony day, you can tell them ẹ kú ayẹyẹ ìsọmọlórúkọ. Ó tún dọ̀la o. Till tomorrow.